my way to the top at the ENDURO bike park. We are having the bike festival week and it's raining. We're gonna have some muddy sessions, I think, and we are gonna have a pump track clinic, and then on Saturday we're gonna do a whip-off event, so hopefully the weather clears up and we could do some cool stunts. Du är med på YouTube-video nu, Alma. Okay, so dropping in. Oh, it's not called Shimano anymore. The Wingman track. Wow. Oh. Yeah. So the weather cleared up. We're on our way up again. I don't know how much you saw on the muddy laps there, but it was a lot of fun, but I had to change my clothes and everything because I was completely soaked. Anyway, we're gonna go up and do the Wingman track and try to do some tricks, and then tomorrow do the pump track clinic. So yeah, stoked to be here. Always a good time, and yeah, the view is just beautiful.
I'm doing it.
Okay, Wingman, doing some tricks now. I think I'm following Elof Lind and you're following me.
What?
And we need to wait.
I'm not doing tricks now.
You don't do
this
tricks.
Is like my first run.
Okay, we do
New
tricks.
bike,
fat bike.
belly.
Nice! Oh! That's cool. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna check out the rest of the Wingman track. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, they haven't opened this part yet of the Wingman, but we got permission to check it out. So cool to have a bone log in the track, and then like a huge berm over there. Rulla ner här. Yeah. Okej, jag linar er härifrån. Ah! Yeah. Oh. Ah! Whoa! Oh, I missed that one. Ah, trampa, trampa, trampa. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, whoa! Whoa! A mushroom! Wow! Alltså helvete, den där jävla svampen eller?
Den här kommer vara så sjukt fet när den har tagit sig.
Jävlar!
Så här gör någon fastband på den.
Ja.
Följer du mig aldrig?
Nej. Okay. Continuing the track here. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Jävlar vilket hopp! Det här kan man ju fan trycka på riktigt.
Ja. Alltså nice ut. Vi cruisar ju bara här alltså. Okay. Let's see what they got here. Oh, I'm not gonna ride this. Yeah, Lotte. Scared if the tires are wet, but worked out. Yeah. Just det. Okay, so now it's time for the pump track clinic. We had such a cool day on the mountain, and yeah, it feels weird to change to the small bike, but it will be super cool to ride here. And yeah, hopefully all the kids and the people riding are stoked on this as well. Så Kev.
Tja.
Kan du lägga det på YouTube?
Ja, jag lägger det på YouTube sen. Jag kan köra tåg efter om ni vill. Här har vi en bra flyout alltså.
Vad ska vi göra?
Om vi gör lite tricks upp här kanske. Kan ni göra några coola tricks? Yeah! Snyggt! Wow! Yeah! Fett! Det här är grymt.
Men vad är egentligen skit?
Tack så mycket, tack. Det är ganska skön flyout ändå att nöta tricks på.
Det är det.
Yeah. Det ser bra ut, men du kollar tillbaks efter liksom 180 så börjar du kolla åt andra hållet. Så det är bara fortsätta kolla runt typ mot bakhjulet liksom.
Ska jag sätta bakåt volten?
Vilka vill se Elof göra en backflip? Elof! Nej, vänta. Han ska bara känna på det. Oh! Ja. Tror ni att det går? Ja. Okej, Loffe, ska vi klunsa då?
Men du tror jag killar?
Ja, det tror jag. Okej. Ah. Tack. Oh, ja, det var chill. Elof! Yeah! Okej, är ni redo? Okej, du vill bara droppa in så hoppar jag in ett tag. Det är bara att köra på. Okej, Megatrain to end the session. Such a cool session actually. I'm so stoked that so many people showed up, and yeah, Tomorrow we're having the whip-offs. Hopefully the weather is good then as well. What do you say, Olof?
About life.
About life?
Yeah.
Whip-off tomorrow, you're gonna be speaker.
Dude, I'm gonna hype it so much. Hype the shit out of everyone. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, let's go. So it's time for the whip-off now. We're actually a lot of people riding, like 60 or almost 70 people I think, and cool crowd as well. We're gonna do it on a pretty small jump this year, but which is super cool because a lot of people can ride. Yeah, let's do some laps.
More speed!
So Olof is doing the speaking here. He is so good at it. Actually super cool.
Här kommer de alltså, våra domare som har fått jobba extremt hårt idag.
Det var folk laddar alltså.
Ja, det är...
Kul. Oh, huge train going down. Or like 70 people or something.
Skön whip.
Yeah.
Ja, eller? Alltså, så mycket tricks på så kort tid.
Yeah.
I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, light up tires in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the